Today we're making the long hello. It's a Christmas cocktail for New Year's as opposed to a New Year's cocktail for Christmas like you might have seen last week. Feel free to mix and match.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails.
What are we doing?
Ian and Derek are going to be doing the long hello. This is a New Year's Eve cocktail submitted by Jon Spikes, created by Damon Boelte? I don't know. That drink is going to be a 3/4 ounce of apple brandy, 3/4 ounce of Elderflower liqueur, 1 Free Brothers whiskey barrel aged bitters, topped with champagne. We're going to use an apple liqueur instead of an apple brandy.
Right.
Which
I was going to say this isn't really apple brandy, but...
We used the apple brandy last show to make something with Applejack. And now it's gone. That is a brand new bottle of Elderflower liqueur, so it's going to be sweet and tasty.
Yum.
However, in this drink, because we have so much champagne, the apple is just going to lend itself that flavor. So apple brandy, apple liqueur. The difference is this is an apple liqueur that is 21% alcohol by volume. It's not like a schnapps here in the U.S. This is a German apple liqueur. Schönauer Apfel.
Schönauer Apfel.
Product in Germany. Their liqueurs are going to be much stronger and have a little bit more appley flavor versus whatever the fuck you call what we do here in the States, which is like the essence of apple extract and then like sugar.
You know what I want.
You want the thing that's over there?
Juniper?
Nope, but the julep.
Julep, yep.
That is a julep strainer. You need another one? Is that one dirty?
I got a hawthorn over here, sir.
Right here.
There we go. This is julep strainer.
I was talking about it right here.
You just want to call that
See?
juniper.
What's it called?
This right here?
Oh, yeah, there you go. That's the one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I love it.
So you saw it and I didn't see it.
Yeah.
That's why I used the Applejack in the Applejack cocktail.
Oh, that's right. That was the special request after the show finished that I ended up putting out. That is called the. I'll put that there. Does this fit on the camera? Am I gonna get a whole picture this time? Unlike.
It did when I was over there before.
What are you doing?
It fits.
What the fuck? It doesn't fit in there. It doesn't. It's a bigger. Wow. You that was a lot of anger. Now we're gonna champagne that shit.
Yeah, I got a lot.
So we're gonna
Oh, that's
use
sweet liquor.
cava because
So really, you're not making anything to drink coffee.
Are we topping this with nutmeg? Is that the idea?
cava. Yeah, I guess you are.
So there's a lot of substitution going on.
Yeah.
Garnish with grated nutmeg. That's gonna make this drink gross, but that's
Yep.
what they want. It's not that much of a substitution. Champagne versus cava.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, if
You
you're
don't have the
Cholita,
brandy.
but the brandy ain't gonna make any difference. They both have apple flavor to them, and it's not too. I mean, there's not a stretch to saying add apple liqueur to a champagne or a brandy or to a cava or a bubbly. It's always gonna make it taste better.
I think the larger flavor is going to be elderflower.
Yeah, the elderflower is gonna like, woo! That's where
gonna be
it brings
pretty-
you right to the moon.
Overpowering.
Wow. Smells like Christmas.
Oh, that's perfect. But it's... Wait a minute.
It's New Year's. You should have swapped them.
Yeah, this is not right.
It's just nutmeg. It smells like Christmas to me because you put it on eggnog. But New Year's and Christmas come really close together.
It's actually not bad at all.
No, I told you, and you get that you taste that like rich caramely apple in the back end. That's the apple liqueur. It's almost like a
I'm not a big
malty.
champagne guy, but that's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not
You
either.
mixed a lot of other shit with
Good
it,
thing it's
so.
cava.
It does have a little bit of. You even put bitters in there?
I even did.
Even did.
I'm not 100% sold on the aftertaste that comes about 30 to 40 seconds later, but that's more of a champagne.
Oh, I haven't let it linger that long.
Yeah, if you
That's
drink
what
it
happens.
constantly, it only lingers once.
Yeah, it's got that champagne aftertaste. Okay. Name of the drink is what? The Long Hello.
Long hello. I never named
Hopefully it
it.
leads to a long goodbye.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the idea.
So this was.
Zibbity-bop.
If there was one episode I wanted to have Dan at, it was the stirring episode, because then we could have just sat here and made fun of him the whole time, and I have more for my blooper reel.
He's better than that. He can do it.
He's been training. He doesn't want to always be like stir shamed. I think he wants to be a better
Only
man.
bitters this drink needs is Dan's tears from stir shaming.
See, if you haven't been around,
What a great bitter that would make. Dan's Tears bitters. You can bottle it up. It can
Dan's
be
stir
salty as
shaming.
fuck.
And lemonade.
And lemon.
Saline.
A saline lemon solution. That's the Dan's Tears bitters.
See, you have to have been subscribed for at least a couple years to get all the background information on the stir shaming.
Right.
Because that went beyond this year, I think. I didn't have a lot of.
remember.
I didn't get any good stir shaming
Time blends.
poklos. Yeah.
For me, I don't know.
No, time blends for everybody.
Yeah.
You're gonna knock that all the way off the thing?
Maybe.
Maybe. Don't think about it.
Like a cat.
I hate cats. So what you?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Cats are okay. It's just
I know.
other people's cats.
Other people's cats like other people's children.
Other people's cats don't, you know, defecate all over
Shit in your house.
apartment. Yeah.
On your shoulder, other random
Little
places.
That little fucker.
Coupon code's 11 years. Is that right? Yeah, 11 years. Expires January. I never even said what the percentage was. Expires January 31st. That's for 15% off at awesomedrinks.com if you want to get yourself some Japanese jiggers, some mixing glasses, any type of bar equipment.
Bitters.
Nora glass.
Bitters.
These actually, they slowed down. I used to buy these and they would just sell it like that and I'd have to go
Now
put it
your
in a...
coops sell it like that.
No, I think holidays, we rank pretty good for classic coupe. So when people type classic coupe into Google, we're like number
Classic
one.
Coops are great for New
I bought a
Year's and
case
Christmas.
and they were gone. Like we have like one set left. I'm like, wait, I
can't-
bought them last week.
Wait, you can't drop ship glassware.
I know.
Drop
Because
ship.
my life would be a whole lot fucking
Drop
easier.
ship glassware.
Yeah.
You're failing.
Yeah.
So the lesson here is,
This is
we only
good.
got one episode of the Plunger this year. You only get one New Year's cocktail, one Christmas cocktail, but how many do you really need? We have like fucking so many in the backlog.
Yeah.
Yeah, and how many parties are you going to this year?
Yeah. And if you don't like this cocktail, last year's was good.
I don't even want to go to one. If you're going to more than one, then, you know, you're on your own.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Then
do a
just
channel search.
We've done this for
Do a
11
channel
years.
search.
I have a playlist. It'll be on the
There's
side.
sparkly shit, there's not sparkly shit, there's festive shit, there's other
Not
shit.
festive shit.
There's
There's
dry
other
shit.
that we add sparkly shit to.
Yeah, there's
We got tons of cocktails for you. You don't have to do it again.
not lacking.
No.
This is yeah.
Executive producer is Deanna Calls. 9 months, a YouTube member. If you're in at least the United States, there should be a join button. It's blue. You can click on it and donate to us on a monthly basis. A small nominal fee. Does nominal mean small?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, no,
I'm trying to make sure I saw it right.
yeah, there you go.
So that
I'm
you
just
can
looking
help
at
us
the
out.
comment. Have you guys been to Bangor, Maine? Of course I've been to Bangor, Maine. I grew up
Yeah.
near Bangor, Maine.
I've never been to Bangor, Maine, and your name is not John Belushi.
How's that drug addiction going there?
Yeah. You've been to Bangor. You only live like a few minutes from Bangor.
I worked in Bangor.
Oh shit. I've never been to Bangor. That's way too fucking far. That's like 6 hours.
Almost 4.
Whatever. I've been to Portland. Woo!
1.5.
I've been to Sebago Lake. Is that farther? What about Old Orchard Beach? I think I was there once.
Bangor's good. I like Bangor.
We're done here for the new year. See you in 2020 because, well, we still have a lot of videos to do, so...
Hit me up for more ideas in Bangor, and I'll be sure not to respond.
Ah, there you go. Nowhere you go on social media does Ian pay attention. He shuts himself off. He's like, I'm done.
I lurk. I go in every now and then. I'm like, yeah, what's going on in the world? Okay,
You're
that's
like, yeah, I
good.
really don't.
He's more of an internet perv of sorts.
It's fair to say.
Sidebar, more videos, probably New Year's Eve related, because we've got plenty of them. This is our 11th year. Down below, Awesome Drinks Bartender Starter Kit. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.